Hi there viewers, and today is day 7 and we are doing a concept for Edu Data, which is a platform that helps over 300 colleges and universities manage and share course related data. And my name is Roy, I'm a web designer, and I'd just like to thank you for leaving a like or a comment. If you could subscribe, that would be great. And let's get into the video. So what I use to time myself is called a Pomo Timer, the tomato Pomo, and it's like 30 minutes, so I can kind of just visually know how I'm doing, as well as there's a timer on the Mac, but I tend to look at the timer in the top icons for the Pomo Timer. Anyway, in terms of finding an image, I just had to look for an image of universities or colleges. It didn't appear to me at the beginning, but from speaking to a startup before who are in the education market, they said that when it comes to getting data or trying to do something new with tech in education, it can be quite tough, and it depends on the university or college. If they're really stuck to their monolithic ways, then it can be hard. But there are some universities and colleges which are modern. So I think my brain ticked at the end where I thought, oh, I should probably use a modern university or college image. Anyway, back to the actual designing. Again, I put the heading in, which is quite a long heading. But because we only got an hour, I just wanted to get the main bits in. No fluffing around here. And here I'm just putting in the form. And sometimes if you're trying to sell to a university or college, I'm assuming it's not straightforward. So we got 2 click to actions on there, which is sign up or learn more. Probably more the soft sell, something that you have to build a relation with them. Well, I can't speak from experience, but I don't think it's something they could just sign up, or possibly they could. But anyway, so here I'm just putting an image. This one's quite a modern architecture, so I thought this could be suitable. And also what I tried to do was find logos of universities that could be appropriate. And of course this could take forever. So this is a local university to me, and their logo is quite clean, because my style is very clean and minimal. So again, I was just looking for modern universities. This is another one, Emily Carr, London Metropolitan University, is very simple and modern. So I thought, let me try and use these 2, or maybe these 3, but I thought Emily Carr was a bit too big for the space. Portsmouth's really nice, but I couldn't find the black and white version in time. So I thought, okay, let me just use 2 for now, and that'll be good enough. So here you can see I'm looking for modern university, and what I end up doing now is I just end up trying to play with colors. I was going with green initially for contrast, and you can see the secondary button, I just got a border outline of green, and now I'm just adding color. And I decided that I went with this image instead. I felt this was a really nice image, and I think I've seen this architecture in Cambridge when I was there a while ago. I wonder if that's from Cambridge, near the station. Anyway, I thought this is really nice. It's a simple image. I started playing around with layout a bit, and you have time to experiment and play, try different things. This is probably something I should do a bit more, which is just try different layouts, different navigation, having the logo in the middle, for example, not always in the left. Just why not have fun? This is an hour practice, and you share it. Try not to put too much pressure on yourself. at the end of the day, it's just good practice, and you're getting it out and you're getting feedback. So thanks again to everyone on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram. It's Roy Quillor, ROIQUILOR. Follow me on there. And here I try to emphasize the 10 million enrolled students, because that's very impressive. So if you could, if the person was reading this and they saw that, that would be quite supportive of what you're saying. So yeah, that's a strong statement. And if it's true, then wow, Anyway, so back to the design. At this point, I think I'm looking for any other logos, and I think I'm changing the font. Yes, that's what I'm doing. So I went with Helvetica. I looked at Avenir, because these are really nice and clean, sans serif, modern, even though they're not modern, but they're just classic, really nice fonts. So I thought, okay, let's try it. And then Avenir is it's a stunning one. I thought, okay, let me try and use Futura, which is what IKEA used to use a long time ago. And there was a big uproar when they changed to Verdana, because Verdana is very web friendly. Anyway, so I think that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it. And again, leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We're going to be on to day 8, and it's the weekend, but we're going to keep on going. And my name is Roy. Have a good day, or morning, evening, afternoon. Take care. Bye.